Greeting everyone, I am Melissa Anak Jini and my student ID number is 8001 1413 5014 001. I'm going to deliver my speech presentation on this subject, OUMH1303, English for Oral Communication about Animals. Welcome to the life along the river, the crocodile, and this is my topic. Crocodiles thrive in river environments and play an important role in ecosystem, especially species common in places like Malaysian rivers. The Rejang River, or Sungai Rejang in Malay, flows through Sarawak in the northern part of Borneo. It starts in the Iran Mountains, passes Kapit, and reaches the South China Sea. At 565 km long, it's Borneo's 7th longest river and Malaysia's longest. Today, we are seeing crocodiles as more than just hunters to see why these reptiles are the true kings in the waterway. In rivers like those in Borneo, here in Serian Sarawak, you will find saltwater crocodiles or Crocodiles porosus, the largest and most aggressive, living in the lower river stretches and brackish water. Borneo crocodiles, or Crocodiles renices, smaller freshwater dwellers hide in river pools and are unique to the islands. Both prefer semi-aquatic river habitats over pure oceans or dry lands. What they feed on? These crocs are carnivores, eating fish, birds, reptiles, crabs, and mammals like monkeys or water buffalo that come near water. Saltwater crocs target anything from small fish to large prey distracted by herds, while Borneo crocs focus on river fish and smaller animals. They consume every part of the prey, reducing waste and bacteria spread. How they adapt? Or adaptation to rivers. Powerful tails propel them through fast currents, and webbed feet help them swim silently. Their armored skin protects against river hazards, and they can hold breath for hours, digging into banks during dry spells. Crocodiles have special valves that close their nostrils and ears underwater, making rivers their ideal ambush zone. How they catch prey? Crocs floats still like logs and then burst forward to grab prey. They twist victims in deadly death rolls. They wail silently at river banks where animal drinks, then pull prey underwater to drown it. Their strong jaw grip tightly, but they don't chew, yet prey is swallowed whole or torn into pieces. Why croc matters or ecosystem importance? Croc keep ecosystem healthy as top hunters. As apex predators, they control prey numbers like fish and birds, preventing overpopulation and keeping food chains balanced. Their burrows create shelters for other wildlife, and droppings fertilize river for fish. Crocs even scare land animals away from using up water in dry season. For cultural beliefs, in Sarawak and Borneo original communities believe crocodiles are sacred spirits or ancestors linked to myth of river guardians or shapeshifters. Some tribes avoid harming them due to taboos, but if conflict arises from attacks, blending fear with respect in local stories. One of Sarawak's most popular myth is Bujang Senang. Bujang Senang is Iban crocodile legend. A mighty Iban warrior's name, Simalungun, was mastered in mystic arts, making him unbeatable in head-hunting battles. His secret taboo is never to step in rivers. Enemies kidnap his wife to learn it, then kill her with a spear at the Batang Lupa River. Filled enraged, Simalungun attacked and, touching water, then broke his magic. After being defeated, his body has transformed by river spirit into a giant crocodile with a white stripe called Bujang Senang. He forever hunted his killer's descendant. What human activities destroy crocodile habitats? Logging, palm oil plantation, and river population destroy Borneo's wetlands by breaking habitats apart. Illegal huntings for skins, meats, and people moving increases a crocodile attack, while dams alter river flows and crocodiles' need for hunting and breeding. What are the steps to protect animal habitats? Plant trees and fix swampy soils to protect rivers. You can see this working, right? Here in Kuching at Jong Crocodile Farm. They act as a safe home, collecting eggs and breeding crocs to boost their population. When we do our visit here, we learn crocs aren't just dangerous. They are valuable animals to care for. We protect a crocodile's home and we save whole rivers for all life, including ours. What are the questions that we want to know? Are saltwater crocodiles dangerous to humans? Yes, they are considered highly dangerous due to their size, strength, and territorial behavior. They have been responsible for attacks and fatalities in areas where people live near their habitats. How fast can a saltwater crocodile move? In water, they can swim up to 24 to 29 km per hour in short bursts. On land, they can launch quickly over short distance but cannot run long. Why are the saltwater crocodiles so aggressive? They are naturally territorial and solitary, especially the males. Their aggressive behavior helps them protect their habitat and assert dominance. Can saltwater crocodiles really swim in the open oceans? Yes, they are strong swimmers and have been recorded traveling hundreds of kilometers across the open sea. This helps them find new territory or mates. How long do the saltwater crocodiles live? They can live 70 to 100 years in the wild. In captivity, with good care, they may live slightly longer. What do saltwater crocodiles eat? They are opportunistic carnivores, feeding on fish, birds, mammals, and even water buffalo or sharks. Juveniles eat smaller prey like insects and crustaceans. What are the fun facts about saltwater crocodiles? They can hold their breath for over an hour. Salties can slow their heart rate and stay underwater for up to 2 hours if they stay still. Their skin is armor-plated, covered in tough body scales called osteoderms. Their skin can even deflect arrows in some cases. And they have been around since the dinosaurs, so crocodiles have existed for over 200 million years. They are true living fossils. They can jump vertically. Using their powerful tails, they can launch themselves almost straight up out of the water to grab their prey or meat dangle above them. And their eyes glow at night. Like cats, they have a special layer behind their eyes, or we call it tapidum lucidum, that reflects light, perfect for hunting in the dark. Baby croc stalks from inside the egg. Hatchlings makes chirping sounds to signal to the mother that it is time to dig them out of the nest. Despite their size, they can be sneaky. Softies can float with just eyes and nostrils above the water, making them nearly invisible before ambushing their prey. And thanks for joining us for Life Along the River. Let's keep the water wild. Thank you.